In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Minecraft with your friends in laptop and mobile. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. This process is for Minecraft Bedrock Edition, and as long as both of you have the latest version of Minecraft Bedrock Edition installed on your laptop or your phone, you will be able to play together. First, I recommend selecting Play, going over to the Friends tab and selecting the Add Friend option. Make sure you add your friend using their gamer tag over here and that you properly add each other before joining the world that you want to play together. Afterwards, you have two options. You can either create a realm by selecting Join Realm and then placing the invite code, and a realm can be created by clicking the pencil icon next to any world and then selecting Play on Realm. Of course, you need to own a Realm subscription, and this might be out of your boundaries if you don't want to play for Realms, but there is something else you can try. If you do not want to set up Realm server like I just described, you can simply join a world, and over at the right side of the screen, when you pause the game, you will have a menu that allows you to invite any friends you have added through their gamer tag to the game you are currently playing or the world you are currently in. So just load into the world, and after you are loaded in, select the pause icon at the top of the screen, and you should see this option, Invite to Game. By selecting this, you will be able to select anyone from your friends list, and they will be able to join your game and play together. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Minecraft with friends in laptop and mobile. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.